This is Remote Learning Initiative by State Vidya Mandir English High School, Vasai East. I am Rita Palo, your science teacher. Let us study today lesson number 13, Simple Machines. What is simple machine? We have already studied this in standard 4th also. Simple machines are the tools which make our work easier with less energy. Like in our house, for cutting vegetables we use knife. So with the help of knife, the work becomes easier. It cuts the vegetable very fast. To open anything we use opener, like bottle opener is there. For cutting anything, papers and all, we use scissor. So scissor is also a type of simple machine. They help us to get the work done easily by applying force at a convenient point or by changing the direction of the force. Right? So the machines which make our work easy are known as simple machines. Like you can take your washing machine, grinder, all type of machines are simple machine. Some simple machines which we are going to study in this lesson are lever, inclined plane, pulley, wheel and axle, screw, wedge. First we will study about lever. What is lever? Lever is a simple machine. The lever helps in exerting force in such a way that it makes our work easy. It is not easy to pull a nail from a wooden plank with your bare hands, but it is easy to pull out with the help of lever. Now in the wall, if there is a nail and you want to remove it, if you are using your hand and trying to remove it, you will not be able to remove it. But instead of that, if you take the plug or hammer, backside of the hammer, and if you try to remove it from that, it will easily come out. Even an ordinary spoon can act like a lever to open a tight lid of any of the box, right? Like tin boxes are there. You must have seen mama, ghee dabba is there. It lid becomes very much tight. So mama use a spoon to open it up. There are 3 points in a lever which we have to remember, that is load, fulcrum and effort. Means lever works on these 3 factors, that is on the load, on the fulcrum and on the efforts. On the basis of that, lever is classified into 3 parts: first class lever, second class lever and third class lever. In first class lever, when the fulcrum is between the load and the effort, it is called first class lever. See, you can see here, fulcrum is in between, load is on the side and applied force is on the other side. Here is the applied force, means we are applying the force here. The load of the object will be here, and in middle is the fulcrum. Fulcrum is the joining where it helps us to do the work easily. And we denote it as effort E, fulcrum F and load as L. So you can see here, a boy is picking the bigger rock. Okay, so where he is applying the force, where is the fulcrum and where is the load? Load is here, right? Here is the load. He is applying the force on the starting, and this is the fulcrum. Here also, the middle part is the fulcrum and other side are the, one side is the load and one side is the applied force. This is also one example of lever. Now second class lever. The second class lever has the load between the fulcrum and the effort. Okay, in second class lever, load is in the middle and applied force on the first side and fulcrum on the other side. You can see here a nut cutter. In that, fulcrum is here. Fulcrum is on the start, means the adjustment where it is attached, right? Then load. We are cutting this. Nut. So nut will be kept at the edge point where the load is there, and we are putting our efforts here. So it get cut. In the bottle opener also, here we are putting the effort. Here is the fulcrum, and this bottle opener get opened. The third class lever. The third class lever, the effort is between the fulcrum and the load. Yes, effort applied is in the middle. First is fulcrum. The example of third class lever are forks, knife and stapler. Okay.